Oh, fucking hell. Can I use that one? Top of the day, Grand Rising. God's a nation, Grand Rising to everyone, Grand Rising. After one now, but you don't know, that's a I have an issue with me just you want to point out and talk about, you see me? You don't know. It have to do with Kyro. The live here about Kyro, you see me? The live here pertaining to Kyro, you see me? Yeah. No, we can't talk about them Monday right now. We can't talk about some waste people. You know what I mean? Foota, we not talk about them Monday right now. The man does not no sense in him. Ego, him mouth a lead him. His mouth coming like one trailer. It just a drag him so he never know if hold back him the trailer. You see me? So stop wrong thing to ever do. Yeah, as you may say, Kyro we are talk about now. So you don't know, July the 31st I make 1 year. I make 1 year since you come out. July the 31st. And you don't know, Kyro still there, still lock up him alone. I mean, I'm telling you, the hard and the whole way they lock up, you know. But it's kind of easy because we see each other every day. So, you know, we use one another energy. We use one another energy and keep each other going. You see me? Each energy, you see me? Me a link silver. Me and Kyro go link silver. Even though them have the G isolated over there, so the whole way I go over the fence and I bless him up and I reason with him as long as we can. If them give you a little 15 minutes or a 20 minutes and just laugh and just each one away keep each other joy and keep our spirit up. And me know in Kyro alone round the dog, me know but and them man then make things bad I'm still not but me know dog oh right now the dog they and I see the whole with the outer road and him alone they just a me know it a drain charge yo, me know it a drain my brother and a dog. And without it and it does thrust into my brain more while sometimes they I enjoy myself and by me I enjoy myself me just I'm a mind just flash from Kyro is like Jano star is like can't full joy myself to the fullest. Oh, you see me dog, well one bro come out brother, me ask the justice system, me ask Jamaica justice system, please, I am begging you, wanna see the whole heap of madness when them they do in the first case and this no have nothing to do but with it's just the affiliate because when you done their pre-vibes cartel and because when you say we're affiliated with him or whatever when they try when put to him. You see me? Anything when they try put with name towards I say, oh, in response for how much rev 100 and this and that on the paint all of the picture them on the try everything bro on the text message where Sean and him baby mother did a text me and Sean they are Barbados them time the 2011 me can't forget and Sean baby mother text him and I say remember the thing them for Lizzie you know cause I saw him call him daughter and her pet name is Lizzie you know. And she tell Sean, say, remember for buy up some things for Lizzie, you know. Me and Sean over there. And when I look, me and Sean and Javinci, they are Barbados that time there. Me have all video with them things that them from them time the same way. You see me? And when you use that message there and cut up the message and try build message to make it look like conversation a go on with Vibes Cartel and Sean about a lizard, you know. I so hard you know go, you know, brother. for try do everything for keep we in a prison, you know, brother. And look what all up Kyro in a prison right now. Just look. Just look what all up Kyro in a prison right now, you know. And no money. And a lawyer fee. And none of them something there. You see? Kyro have a other case. You see me? Where somebody, he come say whatever them come say about him. But at the same time, the person come change them statement and say they don't want have nothing to do with this case anymore because pay police, they pay him or whatever for do what them a do. To come talk where him a talk. The man drop the case. Alright? The man drop the case. The man even now come a court as a witness. The man even now come a court. You see me? In the case end up go to trial, and at the paper trial the case go to paper trial. Them not use the facts of the youth, he come change him statement and everything, you know. Go DPP and everything and change him statement, you know. None of that them now look pan, you know. Them just a look pan the first statement where they give. Anyway, the youth denounce it and say him no one involved in the case and whatever. Him get sentenced on the case. Kyro get sentenced. When Kyro get sentenced, him the already get have that the murder case or win the appeal. Him already have the case there, you know. Him already have the case there in front where we get sentenced pan. So him the still a go court, then them sentence them just sentence him because him already have a murder case and him charged with Vibes Cartel. Nothing more. Nothing more. Nothing more. You see me? You see me? And it when the dog goes to boots now and then them sentence him, when Kyro gets sentenced on the other case there, you know, Kyro immediately appeal him case. Him start appeal him case. You see me? Him start appeal a case there. Look what the funny, look what so fucked up about it. Look what was so messed up about it. Valerie who was Kyro lawyer on that case, cause him ashamed he used on the case. And then the man appeal the case. Right as him get sentenced about it. Him appeal the case. So the man start appeal the case. During them time enough people even not realize and know so Valerie sick, you know, and a go mental, you know. Yeah, of all what them call it thing. What them call it? You start have like amnesia and them something there. And I lose your memory and them something there. The whole justice system know. Them know Varenita, Eve, Isaac. When him the time with it something when them a say him get in a trouble because him go quote and say suck a dick ray and get in a trouble. At that time, or what that the GLP or however them call it, the where them go through them thing. Valerie was the lawyer who was representing Isaac, you know. And even at that time, she did have problem people. He say, what the name of that damn something there? Dementia. She did have dementia. You see me? No, and I forget things. You see me? And Kyro pay for the case. Get appeal by her. Or dementia make sure lost all the paper, the receipt and them something there. So right now, the main thing we keep Kyro in a prison is because the dementia sickness where Valenita they have, they never know, and then nothing's lost, paper lost. So right, the judge them want know say they want this to see receipts to show say Valerie did get paid and the case they start appeal because it look like Valerie did fail start the case and she start the case late. Or when her mind they tell her say yeah you can start it now. But it they start either way. You see me? You see me? Them never know. what you and Valerie need to pass away just sudden so, you know. And then it never did come out in the media. Just go find in the media where they show say Valerie Nita was diagnosed for this and that and she mentally a loser and she forget. It never come out. Them now put out them something there. You see me? Them now put out them something there. You not gonna know because we not talk them things here. So all we there I say I just the judge we are wait for just come give back an answer for Kyro release. That's all we there wait for now. The lawyer never can do nothing more right now really or nothing, you know. And the judge we are wait for just announce Kyro release. But they are them also a wait upon receipts and 1 and 2 paper things to show say yes, Kyro did start appealing case before this murder case will win over England and then them send it come back here before this case because them a try for what did the prosecution they are trying to say and not turn it around the narrative say it's just now him start appeal the case since we win the appeal last year. They might try to make it sound like I just now Kyro did just start appeal that case. That case they start appeal from Kyro get sentenced. Till one night time Kyro when we lock up them time the Kyro say, bro, allow me, I gotta stop the appeal here, you know, bro. I gotta stop the appeal, you know, bro. And we win this, when we win, it does whatever go on and Vibes Cartel, Adija Palmer, my father got here. I may say, you know, say Kyro, say Ray. I must say, what? You crazy? You mad? No appeal no for stop. The appeal no for stop. The appeal no for stop. Continue it and it never stop. And the man push it more money because Kyro never want to tell Mr. Palmer, Vibes Cartel say for pay no more money because we know how much money he must spend with dead and we know how the man a spend their money. I try to get back with freedom, dog. You see me? We know so Kyro no want to tell him say yo Ray, you see me? And me go to him and tell him and when I tell him the man I say you're crazy. So even when we win the case and we come out, the first thing that Vibes Cartel run more money pan again for deal with. The first thing. You see me? First thing, bro, Vibes Cartel issue out money for the lawyer them for deal with and make sure say the case are deal with. Make sure Kyro case are deal with. And as I say, the only thing obstruct the case right now is the fact say Valerie Nita, they get paid, all of this, all of that, but she did suffer from dementia and nobody never know. So all Valerie good and never know and remember say she did have Kyro case here a deal than a push. You see me? Vibes Cartel pay for everybody case. No one away from family can come talk. Say them there for fine, lawyer fee, for pay no appeal, no while the case a try. None. Not one. Yes, somebody from our office after is that me I talk to Isaac today about and Isaac I say somebody from her office need to search records and find it. But look at the fuck up thing about it. Suppose when somebody must be there, something must be there. And then again suppose she get the money and right when she get the money, the incident, the dementia, they just lick her at the time and she does never forget say she did get the money or me just show you how dementia and then the fact say nobody never know. So watch this. Enough man never know say dog. When you good all the dollar. Enough man good and never know say them all good all higher value them time there. For all get locked up and know say you want a liar. Whom can get Valinita. And when you get Valinita, you never know say at that time when you get Valinita, it is the worst time in her career. Because she has suffered from dementia. R.I.P. to Valinita. That woman is a very lovely woman and she try, bro. Them woman they go fight for you, bro. Them woman they come fight for you. The moment they come waste the cans and I show you say, yo, take your choice. Take your choice. See the scale I say, oh, which one of it? If you got a route here, this is boom. Or a year the choice. You now force down no and I tell you say this is do this. This is the way you have to do it. And force you and I tell you say, oh, sign that deal, take that deal, and rate it and know say loophole there for you win your case, but through the system set up a way them just tell you say, oh, take that deal. Value no. But as the man say, every case that comes to her office has to have a record. Once she start the process, just stay positive about finding the records. Please and thanks, man. I want somebody there, man. I want somebody in a Valinita office at that time. Alright, Kyro, that around 2018, Kyro good that he get sentenced on that case there. Supposed to around 2018, if me remember good. 2018, 2019. If me I remember good, me don't want to give, this is not, you see me now remember good. You see me? But right as Kyro, they get sentenced on that case, immediately, it wasn't 4-6 months after him appeal a case, and immediately after him appeal the case. You see me? Immediate. You not even know. I think that's a day upon my bro more and me there and all I scroll through all some picture with me and they will lock up and me and see dog and me I say, Jano bro, me can't feel like me really enjoy road yet. And Kyro still lock up. You see me? Them not free me yet. Them not free me yet. And I want big foolishness really right now. All Kyro in a prison, you know. I want big foolishness this right now. All up the youth in a system same way, you know. Big foolishness, bro. All because Valerie, Nita, this start suffer. R.I.P. Valerie, Nita. There's nothing negative or bad me I talk about. You're try for tarnish your legacy and your reputation where you set. Sickness come to anybody without they knowing. You see me? You see me? When Valinita pass away, you know, and me surprised, you know. Come I tell you, when you see Valinita, you know, as a big woman, you know, you just can't barely, you know, you can look and say you're a big woman. But all them women they talking at them voice and walk strong and look. You not see panar. You not see sickness panar. You just know say, yeah man, a big woman, you know, like a wrinkle and them thing there. And she always they still have that refined look, like she preserved. You know what I mean? So when she did drop out, yo, me fright no. Me fright no, then me ear say, yo. You see me? No, Kyro case can't go privy council. Oh, it said, if you get sentenced in a Jamaica, you get sentenced for a case, you have to appeal in a Jamaica Caribbean court first. Your case have to appeal here first. Now the Caribbean Court of Justice. And then when you appeal it, if them let you go, them let you go. If them turn you down, so now you can go England. Because if I did so, we would have got England long time. Would have just got England. Oh no. Wait for Jamaica, turn we down, then we end up for got England. You see me? We know where we are answer from, we know for answer, man. I respect man from man. We know where for answer from, we know for answer and them things there, you see me? You see me? That's why I'm not company them something like that, because sometimes when I like talk about certain things, you see it? Because we know the system, we understand the system, bro. We understand the system, bro. But me just say, please, we are begging you, please. The office where they represent Valenita, please. Can you guys go and search again and again and again and again until you guys find. I know that Miss Valenita, they go through her illness and it caused a lot. Now see, that sickness make a lot. Well, you know, for I just the paper that them a wait for. Other paper that the court a wait for Lego Kyro. Them just want to see say yes. In the appeal him case real man. In the appeal him case, see the blah 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 right. See me? They don't know. Bless up on yourself. Bless up on yourself and have a great day. You see me, Gaza nation, everybody. Gaza and a Gaza. You see me? Just whether no Gaza and a Gaza, just bless up on yourself and you see me? There's enough things, man. Freedom for Kyro, freedom for my brother, freedom for Kyro. You see me? Freedom for Kyro. Freedom for my brother. A lawyer is there. A lawyer is there. I spoke to the lawyer this morning. I spoke to Isaac and I spoke to John Clark. John Clark is representing Kyro. He's the human rights. He deals with human rights and all of those stuff. You see me? I talk to him. He is on it. He is doing his job. I just feel like I just need for this just come on and say this. You see me? Because for real, that is something as just as simple as that. And the Kyro did pay him money.